Hi, Bashar.
And to you, good day.
I'd like to talk about one night, about a month ago.
Yes.
I had like 3 visitations of sorts.
All right.
And also just as much information as you want to offer on Andromeda and the energy there or beings from that area.
And why are you curious about this?
Because it keeps popping into my meditation.
Pop, 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 pop. In what way does it present itself when it does, this energy you call Andromedan energy? How do you recognize it as such?
Well, at first,
Yes.
what I see is a spiral galaxy.
Yes, all right.
It's very strong in my third eye.
And you're certain it's not your own? You're certain it's not what you call your Milky Way galaxy. You feel it is the Andromeda galaxy.
Well, I asked, and I got that name.
All right,
and
thank
I'm
you.
always seeing A's. The letter A seems
Yes.
to be very prominent
Yes. All right.
in my interaction.
We will share this with you. It is specific for your use. If you will immerse yourself in the vibration of the note, A, it will help align you more strongly to receive more information with regard to your connection to the Andromedan consciousness.
I got that on one level. I wondered about that.
Well, there you have it. Then allow us to confirm it for you. Do that and see what happens. We will talk about this at another time, once you have immersed yourself in that frequency.
Okay.
All right?